Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm bringing you guys a highly awaited video. As some of you, or hopefully a lot of you know already, I've been in partnership with Gold Series from Pantene for a little while now. However, a lot of the content that I've been posting for them have been Instagram based. So if you don't know already, your girl has been working with Pantene, and I am bringing you guys a wash day styling video today using their new products from their Gold Series from Pantene collection. And actually not too long ago on my Instagram, I had some of my beauty gang members on there participate in a hashtag Ask Me Anything that I did, basically giving you guys the opportunity to ask me anything and everything you wanted to know about the Gold Series line, as well as natural hair questions and whatnot, which I did end up answering on my Instagram story. But today's video, I'm just focusing on answering the top 3 most frequently asked questions from the hashtag Ask Me Anything, which was, how would I compare the Gold Series from Pantene line to my OG staple products? Does the shampoo make my hair feel stripped? And what is my favorite thing about the line? As y'all can see, your girl, like, I am going through it, okay? I never have allowed my hair to go this bad for this long, and it was blow dried. It's been like in the state for like a month now, and actually it's just a lot, y'all. But real quick, I have been putting a lot of heat on my hair already thus far. We're only in month 3 of 2019, and I'd say heat has gone on my hair 3 times now. The previous times were for different brand opportunities and whatnot. For this time though, it was me, because your girl, I went through it with my natural hair where I was just like mentally, physically, emotionally, and even spiritually done with it. And you know, I was really hesitant because, like I said, I had put a lot of heat on my hair already thus far in this new year. But I did get to visit the P&G labs with Pantene earlier this year, and we got to tour the lab and the facility and how they made the Gold Series products. And it was this really dope clip that I'll actually insert right now.
It's gonna bust.
As you know, majority of naturals are all very hesitant to put heat on their hair, which is understandable, me as well. But I kid you not, after seeing that with my own eyes at the P&G labs, I was like, oh, that's like legit heat protecting. I don't know what other brands be doing with their heat protecting, but the fact that a freaking balloon don't pop and you put a flat iron on it, sis. To put heat on my hair again just to give myself like a mental break for a while, you know I had to trust it, because putting heat on my hair back to back like that is dangerous. But to be honest, it was something I needed at the time, and Gold Series from Pantene definitely came through for me. And I probably won't waver from using any other heat protectant from now on, just because I have witnessed with my own eyes how well it works. So yeah, before I hop into this video though, if you're new to my channel and you ain't never heard of Beauty Gang before, sis, I don't know where you've been at, but I am so glad you found us. Wow, I look like a wild child. Just know, Beauty Gang, we don't always look like this, okay? It's just, I'm just in one of them moments. Beauty Gang is stupid lit over here. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check the comment section below, and you will see multiple Beauty Gang members vouching for the fact that we are hella stupid lit over here. So after you've done that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And without further ado, honeys, let's get this together.
Alrighty, y'all, so first things first is to go ahead and drench my hair, and then as you OGs know, I love working in sections, so I put my hair into 4 sections, and the first product I'm gonna go in with is the Moisture Boost Conditioner from the Gold Series collection. Love the way this product smells, and actually this Moisture Boost Conditioner is one of the main reasons that I feel like this line really compares to my OG products, because it has such amazing slip. Y'all know I'm all about slip and being able to detangle my hair so it's more manageable during wash days. Lord knows type 4 hair ain't no joke during wash days. So a lot of my OG products tend to have amazing slip and detangling properties in it, so it'll make my job easier for me, and this conditioner no doubt has that in it. Plus, another thing that's not really a must for my OG products, but it's nice to see when they define my curls. I love seeing that, which the Moisture Boost Conditioner did. As you can see the difference from the side where I've already used the Moisture Boost versus the side that's just been wet and no products have been put on it. It really makes a world of a difference, and they gave it the proper title, Moisture Boost. My hair felt so so moisturized after this. And as a lot of you guys know, I love going in with conditioner first before shampooing my hair so that I'll have fewer knots, tangles, and snags, and it just makes things a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the sections doing the same thing, adding the moisture boost all around. And I just, y'all, can we just peep this definition? Hold on, wait for it. Boom. And honestly, y'all, let me tell you this too. I was really surprised what this conditioner differs from my OG products is that it isn't that thick. This is actually more of a lightweight type conditioner, but it works wonders on my hair, as you can see. So this is after my hair has been fully detangled, just giving you guys a quick little view. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 2-strand twists because that's how I like to shampoo my hair. I really just like focusing on the roots and letting the shampoo run down the hair shaft, which I'll show you in a second. So gonna go ahead and rinse out all that conditioner, as you can see here. Then I'm gonna take the Moisture Boost shampoo, which I love and also smells delightful, and just focus on scrubbing it into my roots, y'all. Because like I said, it had been like 3 or so weeks of my hair being in a blow-dried state, so it is super dirty. So I am going in more than usual with this shampoo. And just keep in mind, usually shampoo is really stripping, right? All right, keep that in mind. So now I'm rinsing out all the shampoo after I went ham with it. And now to answer question number 2 of if the shampoo makes my hair feel stripped, I'm gonna show you guys. Do y'all see this? Do you see how not only moisturized it looks, the fact that there is no tangles? I can literally detangle my hair after I just went in with shampooing. Y'all, this shampoo is the freaking truth, okay? Not to mention it actually did its job of cleaning my scalp and hair without retangling, so that's always a bonus for me. Now I'm gonna go in with the Gold Series Repairing Mask, which I didn't actually get to try before bringing you guys this video, and I will admit I was very pleased with the results of this. Like, I was shook by the slip, and honestly, this is another one of those products that I feel really compares to my other OG products that I love because of the fact that it has amazing slip. And y'all, peep this freaking definition though, and that's just the hair mask. Oh, and did I mention that it smells delightful? Like, all the products in the line smell like black girl magic. I kid y'all not. I freaking love it. And look how moisturized my hair looks, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a plastic bag and just let that repair mask do what it do because my hair needed it. Then after letting the repair mask sit on my hair for a good hour or so, I went ahead and rinsed it out, and it smelled amazing. Y'all are gonna hear that a lot because like black girl magic, that's all I'm saying. I'm gonna go in with their hydrating buttercream now from Gold Series, which is super thick, and another thing that compares to my OG products. I love thick products. My hair loves thick products. So I'm gonna go ahead and work that into my first section and then follow up with their intense hydrating oil and put that over top. It has a very interesting consistency, but it's not that sticky, although it kind of appears like it is, and it smells amazing, like black girl magic. And yeah, now you just see me prepping my hair for a twist out, which I actually haven't rocked since dang near the summer. So I was really trusting in the Gold Series from Pantene products to not only revive my hair, but also just bring back the curls, okay? Your girl been missing her curls for a fat minute. So yeah, that's all you see here. I went between using 2-strand twists and 3-strand twists, depending on how big the section was and me just being a little bit lazy. So yeah, this is what my hair was looking like after all the twists were done. Super moisturized. It already felt super soft and whatnot when I was putting the products on in the first place. So yeah, now I'll see y'all in the next clip.
What up, beauty gang? So it has been 2 full days since you guys last saw me on here. I allowed my hair to fully air dry, and actually in that particular stretch position, whenever I'm doing a twist out and I'm letting it dry for 2 days, I always just put it up like that. And not only does it help me like stretch and elongate my hair, it also turns out to be a real cute hairstyle when I put the 2 little tendrils in my face. But anyway, while I'm taking my hair down, I'm gonna go ahead and answer the third and final frequently asked question that I received, which was, what is my favorite thing about the line? And personally, let me make sure this, yeah, it feels dry. Personally, that answer is kind of difficult for me because there's so many aspects about the line, not just the products alone that I like. And obviously a main thing definitely being the fact that this entire line was made by 10 black scientists. So it was just dope to know that it came from black people making hair products for black people. You know, you feel me? Plus, also while I was out in Cincinnati, Ohio, visiting the P&G lab facility with them, we did get to have dinner with them the day before, and that was dope because we kind of got to learn all of their experiences behind why the line was important to them, and also the fact that they use it on themselves and their children. And you know, y'all know, if somebody uses products on their children, it's the truth. From the products to the reason behind it to the people who made it to all the energy and stuff that went into making the line and the extensive research that they did, like, I just have so much respect for the Gold series from Pantene scientists. No shade to other like hair types, but let's be real, like type 4 natural hair kind of has it the worst in the sense of getting products that really work for us and define our curls and, you know, great slip and stuff like that. That's not to say anybody else's experience isn't hard, but you know what I mean? Like, these products were made for all natural hair and not just to help define or clean or help detangle certain hair types. You know, I definitely feel like some products from other brands lean more towards looser curl patterns for the product to work, or maybe they just don't know any better, which is why I tie it back to the fact that I think this line is so dope that it was made by Black scientists. Off rip, before even trying the products, I kind of already had the feeling and assumption that, like, alright, if these products are made by Black people, then they have to work on my hair. They just have to. And from what I've seen so far, and from this definition that I already have thus far, I definitely feel that they came all the way through for us naturals. I really do. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned it on here. I did mention it on my Instagram story, but something else I freaking love about this line, y'all, because let's be honest, a lot of natural hair products aren't the cheapest, and at the amount and rate that we naturals, if you're taking care of your hair the right way, use products, it can get very expensive very fast. And the whole entire Gold series from Pantene line is, wait for this, y'all,
everything is under $10.
It doesn't break your bank and it still works for your hair. It's just a win-win situation that I am all here for, because I know a question that I get from a lot of you guys very often is like, how expensive is it? Or, you know, how much is it? Because I'm a college student, or because I'm a student, or because I don't have a job. Like, I just love that they did not overprice good quality products. And actually, now that I think about it, now that I'm talking to y'all about it, I definitely feel like that also ties into how these products relate to my like OG staple products. The fact that they're affordable. I pride myself in making sure that I'm only suggesting products to you guys that are reasonable. You know what I mean? I definitely recommend at least trying one of the products out the Gold series from Pantene line. I think though, because I feel like I'm gonna get in the comment section,
What's your favorite product, sis?
I would say my favorite product would have to be, honestly, the conditioner. It's really up there with like my OG favorite conditioners, y'all. Ooh, fun fact, by the way, how I always low-key know my twist outs are gonna come out bomb. You guys see the coils at the end of these twists? Can y'all see that? That it like literally coils up and curls up very nicely? That is a very good sign that your twist out's gonna come out bomb, girl. And not have a lot of frizz either, because as you see, I'm obviously gonna separate it more, but like the ends are coiled. It is not frizzy or anything like that. Ooh, this is so pretty. Y'all see that? Perfect example.
Oh, that is cute.
You think so?
That is cute as hell.
What? What do you mean?
I like these.
The twist?
Yeah.
Come smell it. Let me know what you think.
I smell it from here.
You're lying.
I smell it from here.
It smell good?
Mm-hmm. It look good too.
Thank you, babe.
Mm-hmm.
I've missed my hair.
She popping.
Stop.
Popping.
I am very pleased with what I see thus far, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie.
Same.
Alrighty, so it's been taken down completely and has really good definition. Let me give you guys a close-up. You guys see that? It's super defined and it's actually really moisturized, which I appreciate. And I think it was that intense hydrating oil that I put on top of the buttercream. I think that definitely helped with the sheen and stuff of my hair, which I like a lot. I can't wait for it to get like day 3 or 4. That's when my hair big and popping. But for now, we'll work with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pick out the roots a little bit, add some edge control, and we're gonna be good to go. Alrighty, y'all, it's been a good like 5 or so minutes. I'm impatient because I just want to see how it looks, okay? So, let's see. Oh, wow, look how it just sucked in that curl. Y'all see that? This scarf is the truth. My hair looks already super cute like this, but for the sake of the video, ooh, I cannot wait till day 3 for hair. This twist out came out popping, y'all. Like I said, I have faith in Gold Series, and I just knew. And like, these results, y'all, I'm shook. I'm not even gonna, like, these are bomb. What the heck? I am so pleased with this. Oh my gosh. We got some more staple products added to the natural hair bin. What do you guys think? Definitely be sure to comment below and let me know. Y'all know I'm feeling it. I'm very interested to see what you guys are thinking about it though. But yeah, we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing any of the Gold Series from Pantene products, by the way, they can be found at Walmart, and I will leave a direct link to the line in the description box below for you to go ahead and just click over. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoy. Oh, excuse me. You guys deserve a 360 on this hairstyle. Y'all, this is so thank you, Gold Series, for Pantene. I love it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to comment below if you've already tried the products, or if now you plan to try the products. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe again if you are new. Beauty Gang is lit. And until next time, guys, bye. Hey y'all, so I did want to just hop on here real quick before this video ends and show you guys my hair on day 3. As a lot of you guys know, my day 3 and 4 hair is when my hair looks the absolute best, when it's full and big and stuff. As you can see, my hair is still defined. So yeah, y'all, I am very, very, very pleased with these results. Like, I'm gonna just let the hair speak for itself. It's fire, okay? There's no doubt about it. It is freaking fire. But alright, that's all I want to show you guys.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you want. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. 1 time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.